How long do you need a life insurance policy? The length of your life insurance policy depends on how long you anticipate financially supporting your loved ones. Ask yourself these questions when thinking about how long you may need life insurance. Do I have a mortgage or other debt? If you have debt, the length of time it will take you to pay it off can be a helpful indicator in the term length of your policy. Who depends on me? If you know how long you'll be reliant on a spouse or children for financial support, you can figure out how long you'll need a term policy. What can I afford? The dollar amount of life insurance coverage you need can affect your term length. If you need a high amount of coverage, you may want to consider a shorter term length to fit your budget. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.